First you must open one end of the tubing by scoring and breaking off the tip. Then heat up a narrow section and pull a thin point. Flame cut it at the shoulder of the closed point. Flare open the lips slightly using a graphite reamer and preheat the inside of the tubing. Take two 10-inch 5mm rods and preheat the tip of one rod. Pick up a small piece of fine silver. I use bezel wire. Preheat the second tip and pick up a piece of 22-karat gold. Press the molten glass on the torch to push the precious metal to the tip of the rod. With a neutral to slightly oxidizing flame, bring the silver into the bottom part of the flame. Hold your tubing 2 inches from the silver and rotate your tubing while bouncing the silver in and out of the flame. The vaporized silver will deposit on the inside wall of your tubing. Do the same with the gold. Using a cobalt blue rod, start a layer of dots on the inside of the shoulder. Place the second row of dots in between the first dots. Be careful to keep the dots from touching one another. Continue adding layers of dots until you've covered the inside of the bead. Take the other side of your point and open it. Remove the excess glass. Always reheat the inside of the tubing to prevent cracking. Flare the other side open to match the first half. Lightly score the point and break off the tip. Heat both edges until they're molten and join the pieces together. Blow slightly to smooth the inside seal. Reheat the seal to make it smooth. Heat up the entire section and shrink it down, slightly smaller than the original diameter of the tube. Now we'll blow the bead into a bubble and shrink it back down. Constrict one side of the bead and stretch it out slightly. Now constrict and stretch the other side to match. Reheat the entire bead and then blow it into its final shape. Now we're going to open up one side of the bead. Stretch and pull off the excess glass. As the remaining glass sets up, twist it back and forth until it breaks the end open, creating the hole in your bead. Reheat and marver the end. With a pointed piece of carbon rod, define the shape of the hole. Using a claw grabber, grab your bead securely. Stretch off excess glass and open the other side of your bead. Heat and marver to shape the second hole. Take your finished bead and place it in the kiln at 1050 degrees.